Good afternoon, guys. That's the complete of the job. I want to show the detail of the project. And that's a turf we did, the garden edge, timber garden edge around the tree, planting the tree, install single gate, this fence installed by the neighbor, and just we continue it. Also, we need to think about the area to collect the bean. Just we build this part for the bean, 2 bean, 3 bean collected. And also just the turf in the front, install the letterbox, the timber garden edge, make a sharing garden beautiful, and also touching with this, that simple grass. And that's the pavers connecting to the driveway and all going through. It should be good if we complete the job, planting the shrubs or hedges, covering by mulch, and looks nice and more beautiful. We can fill up this part by the mulch as well to be look same as the garden. If it was I decided and designed to connect to the wall and then start the garden, the neighbor don't want to lose this part of the land. We agreed, just we continue. We installed the 1.2 gate, the big one is a big and wide, as you can see, wide gate, and the sheet going through. We built 2 steps up by the timber because of the house slab, and also for the other side as well, connecting to the timber retaining wall. We clean all the job, we wash it. Every project when we complete it, we clean it as much as looks good and possible. We don't leave any rubbish there. We have to take all down, all tools, and just wash it through. We install the fence. Look at the fence is going straight. One step and the other step going straight. That's a timber retaining wall. We build it and we install the drainage, the pipe coming and connected to the stormwater system. The timber retaining wall in the side, that's 1 meter from the other side. And we fill it up, make it a slope, the fence going straight, Colourbound fence, and touching the wall. Attached, the last post is attached to the concrete sleepers. And the timber garden edge, planting the tree, the council suggested for in the landscaping, going through, building steps and install it, drain install it, and pathway going by a step stone to the corner. We install a letterbox as well. We wash it by the rainwater. It's was full, and we have enough water to watering the garden or washing the pavers, everything. That's good to have the rainwater tank. And then just the pavers for the site and the services and the single gate in the end. As I said, the next door guys build the fence. If you look at it, there is some post is not cut yet. Look, this post should be cut to the concrete, not the top one. That one and one in the end we have. Okay, cool. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting us, and see you in the next project. Bye.